What's up, YouTube? It's Christmas, and my wife bought me a brand new laptop, so I just thought I might do a quick unboxing. I actually didn't see any unboxings for this one. This one came from Costco, and it's a 17.3. It's kind of funny because the box feels like it's opens up backwards, but this is an HP OMEN. So let's open it up, see what we got inside. Alright, so right off the bat, you got your Costco exclusive members paperwork, got some HP paperwork, just whatever, I guess. And then here's the laptop, but before we open that, let's look in here and see what we got. You got your typical wall plug, and looks, oh, this is the power supply. Oh, Big Daddy. Let's see, this thing is big and heavy. Wow. 330 watts. That is mammoth. Probably not something you want to carry around with you, but it's pretty heavy too. But I mean, this is not going to be, I'm not taking this anywhere. This is basically like a desktop replacement for me, but this thing is massive, and it's got like a barrel type plug connector there. So let's put that to the side, and let's pull this sucker out, what we came here to see. So let's go ahead and close this. We'll just set it right on top right here. We'll read the specs real quick, but this is a, let me read it. Oh, maybe it's on the other side here. So this is a, see if you guys can, nah, you guys ain't gonna be able to see that, but this is an i7-12700H, 1 terabyte solid state, 16 gigabytes DDR5, Windows 11, it's home, I believe. 17.3 QHD IPS panel at 300 nits. 165 hertz, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti, and it's got a 83 watt hour 6-cell battery. That's pretty much what it says on the box. So let's pop this puppy open here. It's got your typical laptop cover. So let's open this dude up. Alright, well, looks like it is a fingerprint magnet already, but not too bad. Let's readjust this here a little bit. So let's, well, before we open it up, let's look at the back. Okay, so we have no I/O back here, and let's see on the sides. So right here we have, looks like 2 USB A's, and then on the other side looks like we got a RJ45. We got the power plug, USB A. Looks like is that HDMI mini port maybe, and an HDMI, and looks like Thunderbolt and headphone jack, and then a SD card reader. So that's a good thing. Then on the bottom, looks like we just got a big vent down here. There's like a little foot right here and right here that it rests on. Vents in the back, as we saw. Alright, so let's open it up. Alright. There we go. Let's pull this piece off here. Bang Olufsen. Very nice. The keyboard feels really nice. Looks like maybe speakers right here. It's got these two little tabs right here. I believe this has like Windows Hello maybe. But you know what? Let's Hopefully it has some power and it'll fire up. Where is the power button here? How do I power this thing on? Oh, maybe right here. It's gonna be the first time me powering this up, so let's see what happens. But let's see here. Alright, well, looks like you're gonna go right into it. So let me log on and then we'll go from there. To my network, now it's just checking for updates. So let's see how long that takes. Okay, so it's going through the typical, you know, sign in, log in, blah blah blah. Uncheck everything because you don't want it to know everything about you. Now it's just doing some updates, so I won't bore you guys with any of this. But what kind of the reason of this video, this is going to be a really quick video of me just unboxing this. Obviously you just have a laptop and the power supply, right? Big old chunkster right here. So, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to download DaVinci Resolve, which I used to use a long time ago, and I used it very minimum, so I don't really know what I'm doing with that. But I'm going to download that, load it on here, edit this video, upload it to YouTube. So I apologize if it's crummy. You know, I don't really know what I'm doing with that stuff, but this is the purpose of this laptop, is to be able to edit my videos. I've been doing it from my phone basically the whole time, so I'm hoping this will be able to allow me to make a little bit more better edits and stuff like that. But anyways, I'll put an end to this, and look, it just came up. Alright, but let's get going. I just figured out right now how to do a screen record, and I'm hoping the mic works, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to render this video that I just put together really fast, and then I'm going to put it at the end. Actually, I'm going to re-render another copy and put this at the end, hopefully. So we're going to see how fast this OMEN. I have just done all the regular updates, and like updated the graphics card, downloaded DaVinci Resolve. I've used this a few times years ago, so I have no idea what I'm doing, but hopefully this recording is going to work. I'm going to render this video, and then we're going to see what happens. So I believe I do this. Okay, then I'm going to go, let me see, so I guess YouTube 2160p, and let's see, I think that's it. So I could put, let's see, let's put it in, yeah, we'll just put it here. To render all. I believe that's working. So far, seems to be extremely fast, but I haven't done much. Pretty much just updated everything, and now the fans are kicking in. I'm not sure if, like I said, hopefully the mic's picking this up, because I just actually I searched YouTube how to do a screen record, and so I just hit the Windows Alt and R, and it started recording. So I'm hoping it's picking all this up. It's probably gonna pick up all that fan noise too. But it looks like it's rendering pretty fast. It was about 7.5 minutes, I believe. So, and I didn't add any music. I didn't do anything. I just put the 3 videos up, and that's it. And then, but like I said, I am doing a screen record at the same time, so this may affect, you know, how fast it's doing it, I guess. But we'll see. And it looks like it's done. So, okay, so I'm gonna stop this. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through the process, do all that stuff, and if everything works out, this will be the end of the video. So, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.